This is Mohan Reddy. Today I'm going to explain how customer master data creation process in SAP as per HANA new version 2023 version. So before going to do the configuration, I just explain what are the what are the basic needs to fulfill the what are the basic needs to create in Excel sheet. Then after that we can try to do a configuration as per HANA server. So our company code is PMWC. PMWC. I just open in SAP server PMWC. So these are all the basic configuration. Before that, we need to prepare an Excel sheet. So in real-time scenarios also, when we prepared, when we have a proper blueprint with authorized signature, then only we can do any configurations. At the same time, here also, before doing the configuration, I just make a one Excel sheet. Based on this Excel sheet, I will do the configuration. So go to the SAP server. So you can see this is the SAP as per HANA 2023 latest server. So if you want to see the server details, just click on go to the system, click on the status. So here you can see this is the user ID, time and everything. Here you can see as per HANA 2023. So this is the server, and let's go to the topic. So before, our company code is PMWC. We just click the our company code global level details. OBY6 is the code for the company code global level details. So this is the company code global level data. Go to the position. And our company code is PMWC. So this is the company code. Double click on it. Then automatically our company code global level data is displayed. So in previous class, I already explained vendor master data in Espera. Now we can create the vendor master data after completion of vendor master data, how we can post the documents. At the same time, at the same time in this today's section, we are going to we are going to explain customer master data creation. After customer master data creation, then we'll post the any document related customer sales related document. So this is our company code. So we just briefly we just understand this Excel sheet. So compared to ECC version, so here business partner group, this option is not available in this option is not available in ECC version. In ECC version, directly we can create the customer groups. After that, based on customer groups, we can create the customer number range. After that, what we can create this number range, then we need to assign this particular groups. So like domestic customer, international customer, one-time customer, inventory customer, service customer, domestic customer, international customer, one-time customer, service customer. So these type of five types of customer groups we need to create customer groups. Based on that, also we can create the customer number ranges. And these number ranges we need to assign our customer group. So then only we can create off. But compared to here, it's completely yeah, in as per HANA, the business partner groups it will be added. Once we can create the business partner groups like domestic BP. Business partner is nothing but customer or vendor, whatever customer or vendor we can treat as a business partner in as per SAP terminology. So BP is nothing but business partner. So here at the time of I already created at the time of vendor master creation time. So domestic vendor master time. So once we can create the domestic business partner, international business partner, one-time business partner, service business partner, inventory business partner. So these business partner groups is enough for like both customers and vendors scenarios. Also, the both it will be one time we created it is enough. So no need to create one more time for customers. Then define business partner groups. So the business partner groups number range. So here also same number range we can create it already. So based on this number range, we need to assign here what we can what are the number ranges we can create it. That number ranges will be assigned here. So each and everything I'll explain. So coming then, so the first business partner groups is created. So I just explain, I just view in server also. So go to the SAP server /n /n indicate for home screen SPRO and SAP reference IMG screen. Here you can click on the cross application components, and cross application components option is added in as per HANA only. So then go to the business partner, and business partner, click on the business partner and basic settings. So basic settings, number ranges and groupings. Click on the number ranges and groupings. So this path also I'll mention here in this box. How we can reach this option of business partner basic settings number range everything I'll mention here. So at the same Excel sheet I'll uploading when this video uploading time, this Excel sheet also uploading description option. So not an issue, you just download this Excel sheet and follow this video, then automatically you can do the configuration over one system, one servers. So here we can see define groupings and assign number ranges. So click on this one. So this is change view BP groups creation. So if you want to create new one, click on this one. Or else if you want to check, if you want to view previously what we created, go to the position. Our grouping name is BMW. I just mentioned. Sorry, I just mentioned BC. So this is the business partner groups I already created just now. I told in Excel sheet, domestic business partner, everything I already created at the time of vendor master data creation. BCDB, BMW cost domestic business partner. So I just mentioned here BCDB, BMW cost domestic business partner. I just delete everything. BCDB. I'm sorry. Domestic domestic business, BMW cars domestic business partner. So this is the this type. In this way, I already created business partner. At the same time, BCFC. And it means BMW cars foreign business. BCFC means BMW cars foreign business partner. So just example purpose. BCDB and BCFC, FC and BCIB, BCIB, BMW Cars International Business Partner, BCOB, BCOB, BMW Cars One Type Business Partner, so BCSP, BCSP. So in this way, we will create business partner groups. So based on this business partner groups only, when we are creating the customer or vendors business partner creation, it will be helpful. Later I'll explain in this same video. So this is the business partner groups and short name description I already entered. So these 5 types of business partner groups I already created at the time of vendor master data creation. So same business partners also it will be useful for the customer point of view also. So then you just understand and then just go back here, define number ranges. So it means here we need to create the number range for business partners. So go click on the intervals. So here I already created KU. Again, I just show you define number business partner. So here you can see our company BC business partner groups. So these are all the 5 types of business partner groups. Number range KU. So you just KU means we already created number ranges. Number range short name is KU. We only created. So KU. Just go back. click on the define number ranges, intervals. So here, this is the number range creation, business partner number range creation screen. So if you want to create new one, click on the plus one. So here, I just mentioned KU. KU already prepared. So at the business, once we can create one number range for business partner, same number range also we need to assign uh, at the time of vendor creation, vendor groups creation, or else customer groups creation also, the same number will be kept in the same numbers will be kept in the vendor and customer groups creation time. Then automatically, whenever we are creating the business partner groups, and after that assign the business partner groups, automatically the number it will be displayed same number it will be displayed. Let me I'll explain. So here already created one number range KU, which is a number range and from number to number. Why we enter this number range means whenever we are creating one new business partner, then automatically the number it will be generated from here. Yeah, 1000 something is there. So it means, so here you can see 1111 to 1150. So it means 50 number 50 50 number ranges, 50 types, 50 number of business partner we have option to create in this number range 198. So it means here already 20 numbers it will be created. So in this way, KU is created for our business partner. So I just explained. So here KU 1300 000 002 1300 000 1000. So it means here we have option to 1000 business partner creation options. I already mentioned here. So in that already 19 business partner creation, 19 business partners created. It means vendor creation time I already used 19 business partner thing, so that it will be displayed here. So the same KU it will be used for the customer point of view also. So you just understand. So the business partner groups is no need to create one more time for customers also. Once we create vendor or customers, then automatically it will be reflected for opposite like customer or vendor. Once we created a vendor point of view, it will be enough for the customer point of view. So business partner is both for same. So I hope uh, this step it will be understand everyone. And I just make a color. Just make it color. So then creation of customer groups, so domestic customer groups, international customer groups, one-time customer. Now we are in customer point of view. So for before customer creation, we need to create uh, customer groups creation. So our customer is uh, BM, BMWC, BCDC, BCDC. So BMW cars, BMW cars, domestic business partner, right? So then again, B here also we need to change BC, BCDC, and next international customer BCIC, 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 BMW Cars International Business Partners, BMWC, BRs International Business Partner, right? So then we'll create one more. So basically, in real time, also we must create all five types of business customer rules based on the requirement, based on the client requirement, based on the business nature. Right? We need to create the five types of. But here, this is a demo server. I just created five types, but when the vendor creation time only, I will use only domestic business partners only. So again, third one, BCIP, BCOC, BCOC. BMW cars one-time customer groups, international BMW cars. Why I'm explaining in details? That before you have a proper idea on this Excel sheet, then only you can do the configuration. So BCOC. I'm sorry, BMW cars, one-time customer groups. BMW cars, one-time festive customer groups. And sorry, here I need to enter international business, BMW car international customer groups. I'm sorry. Because of business partner, we already created it here. Here, customer groups only created. At the same time, here also domestic domestic customer group, right? BMW international customer group, we one-time customer groups, and BMWC service service customer group, right? So BMW international means foreign. So FORIE foreign. VCFC. VC was one time. Next BCSC. BCIC. BCIC. So it means BMW Cars International Customer Groups. Sorry, INVNTO or Inventory BMW Cars INVENTO or Inventory Customer Groups. So if you want to create a customer comes under the one-time situation, inventory related customer. In these situations, we can create the inventory customer group. At the same time, service related customer groups. In these situations, we can create the service related customer creation and one-time related. It means once the customer will have a dealing with our company only one time. In these situations, we can use one time. Foreign currency customer groups. It means our customer have been in other countries. In this situation, we can use foreign customers groups. Domestic customers, whatever the customers are dealing with company, they are all in within our company. In these situations, we are using domestic customer groups. So mostly, we are using domestic customer groups only. So I hope everyone understand. So here also I just change BMW cars foreign customer groups and BC BMW cars one-time customer groups VCSC BCSC BMW cars service customer groups and BCIC BCIC BMW I'm sorry BCIC BMW cars one-time customer group. So these are all the customer groups. We just create an Excel sheet. Now we want to create in a server also. So then the T code is OBD2. So if you want to use the T code OBD2, or else you are going with if you want to use path also I mentioned here. So /n OBD2. So this is the change customer account group, change our creation screen, or else we want to create new one. So now we want to create new thing. So customer account groups creation T code account group. So now we want to create. Before that, we need to create Excel sheet. Then only we can create. So BCDC, and the meaning is you just copy here and paste here, and no need to click on remaining. One time customer group creation only. Here we can click on this one and enter. So again, BCDC and paste here and just scroll down, enter three already. So it means BCDC already in one should try. So the same name someone has created, then the system it will not be taken. So BCDC, just click on the save, select free allowed namespace. Once again, select key from allowed namespace. So just if you want to change the in real time scenarios, these kind of issues not generated, because in real time scenarios only our company details only it will be display here. But this is the demo server. Many of the people creating this unique server. So somebody have been using the same letters, like BCDC has the same group name. Someone already used it in this situation. Someone already used it in these situations. We are not able to use the same thing. So if you want to change new one, so here BC, I just mentioned created all BCDC, BMW cars domestic customer group. So BC, instead of BC, I'll mention BB. So here also I need to change BB. So BB, BB, DC. Select it. Sorry, there is an error. Click on new entries. BC, DC, and paste here. Click on append. Click on new entries. BB, DC. So just move on side entry. Select from allowed namespace. Click on this one, BB, DC. Copy paste the name and click on. So account new entries added in entries. Select key from allowed namespace. This is the issue. You can display namespace defined using program RD. So if you can get any error, then click on this one, then automatically it shows an error how we can resolution. So check your entry and try it another key value from name. Check your entry and try it, enter key value from your namespace. Namespace. BBDC. Okay. So BBDC. Click on and save. Again save. So now we need to create based on this Excel sheet. Someone already created in the name of BCDC. So in this situation, we need to change just BBDC. So this is BMW cars domestic customer group. So at the same time, remaining also I need to try to change. Uh, I need to change it. So this is the demo server. In real time scenarios, this type of issues it will be not generated. BD and again here also BD. So I'm sorry, BB here BB BB. So here also we try to change BB. BMW cars foreign customer group. BMW cars one-time customer groups. BMW cars service customer groups. BMW cars inventory customer groups. So now domestic customer group created. Here you can see data was saved. Now again you need try to create new thing. So just click on the next entry. So here BBFC. BBFC. Mostly demos are in the demos are we are not able to use. We are using just domestic customer only. In real time scenarios based on the company transactions, we need to create these all 5 types of transactions. So BMW cars, foreign customer groups. So enter, again enter. The system shows you will be entered 2 times enter, then automatically it's take. Again enter, data was saved. So now we created second one also BMW cars, foreign customer group also created. Now one-time customer groups try to create. Next entry and BBOC, BBOC, and here click on this BMW cars one-time customer groups. Enter, again enter, continue, again enter, save. So three have completed. And inventory customer groups BBSC. Sorry, B inventory means BBIC. So BBSC. So service to inventory, right? These are mentioned correctly. So now we want to create the inventory customer groups. BBCC. So sorry, BBIC. So click on the next entry, BBIC, and BMW cars in inventory customer group. Click on this one and paste here. Again enter. One more time enter. Click on the save option. So here again enter. The data was saved. So then now the pending is service customer business partner groups BBSC. Click on next entry. BBSC. So service. Click on service entry, again enter, one more time enter. So whenever save button is highlighted, up to you can enter, then automatically click on the save button, then automatically one more time you click on enter, data was saved. So now we need to create the 5 types of domestic customer groups we created. So I just make it color, right? And now we need to create number ranges. So actually here number ranges, if you want to create new number ranges for customer groups also, there is an option, but at the time of customer creation, once business partner created and what we business partner created, that business partner has converted to the customer group. In these scenarios, it will generate it automatically one more number for customer. When we created one more another number ranges. So in this situation, if you want to create a new number, same number range for customers from BP to customers, so we no need to create a new number. Whatever number range KU we created, that number range will be assigned this customer group. Then automatically the same number it will be generated. Once I'll explain here. Uh, just created already vendor master creation completed. So using with vendor master, I just explained the difference between why we are using the same number ranges for BP creation number to customer groups creation. So we enter BP. So previously, in ECC version, customer and vendor groups creation, there is a separate key codes, but here you just mention BP, business partner groups. You just mention BP in commanding, but then automatically it will be displayed here. This is the screen for business partner creation. Click on the person, organization, group, whatever based on the requirements. You just click on this organization. So here, before going to create, you just click select on our company code. So BMWC cost domestic business BMW cost. This is the business partner group. So I already created. So now I want to create the domestic business partner. So select and enter the business partner company name, business partner names Reliance, what Reliance, whatever, Reliance One. So this is the business partner name I just mentioned. Before going to create, I need to create basic details. I'm sorry, basic details and postal code, city. I just explained trying to why what are the difference what are the difference we need to keep in the same number range. These purpose I'll explain here. This is the business partner creation process. Select on the languages. So everything okay. I think enter country IN region AP enter. So now you just click on this save button. So you just observe here a business partner 1000011 has created. So it means the business once customer or vendor point of view. First of all, we need to create one business partner. At the time of create business partner, we are need to give will give the proper information regarding the particular business partner. After that, that business partner will be converted to the vendor or customer. So this is in these situations, if you can, in these situations, once business partner is created here, so now this business partner is allotted to the customer business partner or vendor business partner. So this business partner belongs to customer or vendor. So in these situations, again, we need to change this business partner to customer or vendor. So in these situations, if you want to create the same number range here, same number range, what we number range KU is assigned for business partner groups. The same number range also we can assign here. Then automatically, when we are creating the business partner name after converting the business partner, the same number it will be generated. So here business partner name 130011, it is business partner. Now we need to change this business partner. So before that, there are different types of options is there. I just entered. You just copy paste this business partner group and address overview control payment financials. Click on the financial service business partner. Enter payment transactions control. Just observe here. On this one. On the general data. So here there is an option or company code. Once you can click on the company code, then automatically we need to change this business partner to customer or vendors. Customer is not able to create because customer master data creation is pending. Now vendor master data completed. So we have option to create vendor master data. So click on this person. Yes. So here, financial service, there are different types of options is required. So here, FLV customer, FLV and double zero. So this is the uh, vendor. FLV means FLV vendor, new vendor creation purpose. We need to select this one. Customer means FLC something is there. So CUS. If you want to create new customer, you can see customer FI. You need to select this one. So, but customer master data is pending. So now we need to create vendor master data. So FLVN. So click on this one. So then whenever you are selecting this business partner role means this business partner we created, this business partner it comes under the customer or vendor. In this, we need to define, we need to identify. So click on this FLV customer and go to the company code option. So company code PMWC, click on enter reconciliation account. So we already created reconciliation account. So automatically domestic vendor reconciliation account it will be displayed and again enter. So go to the payment transactions, payment terms. So here there are different types of payment terms. I just click on 0001. So and I just scroll down. House banking and everything, account management also you just scroll down. Any requirement is there, you can short key. Here short key means vendor. So vendor name, vendor number. So now we want to create vendor. So it means why we can select here. After document posting, vendor balances display here. The vendor number it will be displayed when we are selecting the short key. Based on the short key only, the posting date, there are different types of options. Whatever we can select here, that one it will be reflected. So and everything okay, then click on save button. Here you can just observe here. So previously business partner number 00011 something is number is generated. So in vendor master data also I configured only whatever the number business partner assigned, the same number only assigned in custom vendor master data also. So that purpose then automatically whenever uh, now business partner convert to the custom vendor point of view, automatically the same number, automatically the same number has been generated for the new vendor vendor creation time also. So I just click on this one. So you just observe here, observe this one. Uh, Changes has been saved. So it means here you can see supplier. Supplier means vendor. So vendor number also it will be generated same thing. Whatever business partner number is appearing here, the same number also appearing here. So these purpose. So you just listen here. Business partner creation completed. After that, using with business partner number, I just converted using with FLV and give some basic details here. Account information, vendor payment terms, and click on the save button. Then automatically the same name vendor is created. Already business partner created, the business partner role is changed to the supplier. So supplier number also same, it will be generated. So these purpose I am explaining here. So I already created number ranges BP business partner. So the same numbers will be assigning here. So no need to keep everything. So just delete. So domestic customer number ranges. So number ranges creation and assign is required. So now number domestic customer goods creation. So now we need to assign the number ranges. So just go back again SPRO, SAP reference IMG screen and cross application components, business SAP business partner, business partner, SAP business partner, basic settings, and number ranges and groupings, define number ranges and assigning. So here you just observe previously customer point of view, BC. Vendor point of view already created these 5 types of number ranges. This number ranges we assigned. So the same number range it will be assigned to the customer point of view also. So here using with customer number ranges OBAR slash N OBAR. So assign customer groups number ranges. So it means so OBAR assign customer groups assignment of customer groups. So, and if you want to create new one XKN1 slash N XKN1 vendor XDN1 slash N XDN1. So you can see this is the customer groups are first number range creation space. If you want to create new one, a new number range created, I already told GL business partner convert to particular customer or vendor type. Same number it will not be reflected when we created the new number range. So here no need to create new number range. So whatever PP number range we created, the same number will be assigned here using with OBAR slash N OBAR enter assign customer account groups to the number range. So go to the position. So our customer groups is BB. So we already created like BBSC, BBIC. So we just mention BB and click on start, continue. So you can see here BBCC, BBFE, BBIC, BBIC. So these 5 will be created here, right? These 5 will be created here. So now the same number range will be assigned here. So our number range is KU. Whatever KU is be updated for business partner group. So KU, 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 enter, save, transport request generated, save. So now here number ranges is KU. UPA number range only will assign here. So number range creation no need to create. So whatever the KU will be assigned here. So up to these 3 steps completed here. Now reconciliation accounts. Reconciliation accounts we need to create here. Before going to create the reconciliation account, here there is a small interlink between the business partner groups to customer business partner groups. So here our customer business partner groups is these are all our customer business partner groups, right? These are all our customer business partner groups. I just mentioned here. So BBDC and BBFC, BBFC, BMW cars domestic customer group, BMW cars foreign customer groups, BMW cars one-time customer groups, BBOC, BBSC, BMW cars service customer groups, BBSC and BBIC. BBIC. So this is our customer groups we just now created. So these customer groups we need to interlink assign to our business partner groups. So business partner groups. So what are the business partner group? BCDB. So here I just mentioned BCDB, BC and BC. VC OC VC ESC VCIC. So right, VCFC. Right. So these customer groups, it will be interlinked between the business partner groups. Then only the system will be identified. So this is the configuration. So define numbers assignment for direction BP to customer range. So using with path, we can use the customer assignment of BP to customers. So go to the SAP server /n indicates the home screen SPRO and cross application components. Master data synchronization. Click on the master data synchronization. Then customer and vendor integration. Click on the customer and vendor integration and business partner settings. Business partner settings. Setting for customer integration. Setting for customer integration. Setting for customer integration for assignment for setting for customer integration. Business partner. Just go back. Again, just go back. Master data synchronization. Customer and vendor integration. Again, click on this one. Basic partner. Basic partner, business partner settings for financial accounting. Now, once again, customer integration field assignment, vendor integration assignment key. So, business partner integration is there. Customer and vendor integration, right click on this one. Scroll down, is there any options? With settings for financial accounting. Customer vendor integration. Settings for financial accounting. Assignment field. So is there any assignment? Click on the assignment field. Once again, just go back. There is a confusion. So SPRO, simply step by step will go. And SPRO cross application components and master data synchronization. Click on the master data synchronization, then customer vendor integration. Click on this field integration assignment for vendor integration. Here there is a field option. Master data synchronization, customer and vendor integration, settings for financial accounting. Synchronization of master data, no. There is an assignment once again. Business partner settings. Settings for financial account. Preparation step by customer vendor integration. Field business partner data customer suppliers. Business partner settings. Yes, business partner, customer and supplier integration checkings. Click on this one. No, there is a small confusion. Once again go with back. Welcome. Once again. So now we need to interlink between the domestic business partner to groups to domestic customer groups. Then only the system it will be identify. Click on this one. SPRO, SAP reference IMG screen, cross application components, master data synchronization, customer and vendor integration, preparation step by customer vendor integration, settings for financial accounting, synchronization of master data, no settings for financial accounting, basic settings for integration, settings for vendor integration, yes, business partner settings for customer integration. Click on this one and define BP role direction to customer. Yes, field assignment customer integrate. Define BP role direction to customer. Field assignment for customer integration. So just click on this one. Click change role assignment for customer. Role assignment group. Now again just go back here. Field assignment for customer integration. Click on this one. Assigning keys. Define number assignment for direction BP to customer. Define number assignment. So you just observe here. There are small confusion here, but anyhow, I just mentioned clearly in this Excel sheet. You just go through on this Excel sheet step by step, then automatically will reach the configuration. So now we need to create new one. If you already created, if you want to view, go to the position, click on that one. Or if you want to create new one, click on this new one. So now number assignment for direction BP to customer. So our customer group's name is BBDC. Number assignment for direction BP to customer. So BP to customer. BP means BCDC. BCDC. BCDB, right? BCDB. So here no need to see, just be everything. BCDB, right? BCDB, BCFB, right? BCDB, BC, yeah. Here instead of B, I mentioned C only. So BMW cars domestic business partner. BMW car foreign business partner. BC BMW cars inventory business partner. BC SB. Next BC OC. So these are all the groups, and I just mentioned enter, then automatically it will be display here. And account groups. So whatever the account group we just created in these account groups like BBDC, these we need to assign here. So BBDC, BBDC, BMW cars domestic customer. So these are all at the time of when we created, then only it will be displayed here. Foreign cast BBF BB once again. That's what I'm saying before prepare Excel properly. BBFC, BBF BMW cars, foreign customer groups. VBFV, right? And VCOC. VC, no, VBOC. BB, VBOC. Sorry, this is inventory. So BBIC. So whatever the business partner group, same nature also we need to assign here, like domestic business partner, domestic customer group. So domestic foreign group business partner, domestic foreign customer, domestic sorry, business partner, international business partner, international customer groups. So same way we need to assign here. Then BBSC and BBO. So entered. So then automatically you can see here whatever the names we entered at the time of customer groups, everything it will be appear here. So now here we can see we just click on the same number. So this is the option. We need to click on this one, same number. So click on this one. Number ranges for account groups not defined externally. So new, then save. Transport request will be generated. So these are all the options. Now, if the number ranges it will be different, then in these situations it will be click on the same numbers. So no need to now the same number range it will be same. Hello, Sudhir. So here we can see flexible group. So we already entered the same thing. So here no need to select this everyone. So click on the save option. Data was saved. So now here you can observe here define number assignments also we need to complete it. So after that, the next step is create reconciliation accounts. So domestic reconciliation accounts. So these are all the mandatory reconciliation accounts. So T code is FS00/N FS00 enter. So reconciliation account. So customers comes under the current assets. So click on the current assets. Under the current assets, uh, current assets recon account also customers all the customers comes under the current assets. So current assets so customers reconciliation account also comes under the current assets. So we'll select current assets 100701. Click on the new entry 100701. So 702 continue. So type description. All the current assets comes under the balance sheet, account groups, current assets, short text. Short text means what we mentioned, domestic customer. So BC, BMWC, DOME, domestic CUS, GR group, right? Same thing, BMW domestic customer groups. Sorry, BMW domestic customer recon account. BMW domestic customer recon account. Reconciliation account. Here we need to select at the time of GL creation. So customers and vendors and customer reconciliation account, vendor reconciliation account, assets relevant contract. In the C4 relevant GL accounts at the time of creation, we need to select this one. So this is a customer reconciliation account. Select on this one and just scroll down. Short key 001 indicates the date, posting date, create bank interest. Here we need to select customer reconciliation account. Select on this one. Customers reconciliation. All the reconciliation accounts comes under the G067. So click on this one, continue, save. So now domestic reconciliation account also completed. So at the same time, so here no need to create everything. So in real time scenarios also we need to create everything. So I just color it, and it's already this video taking more time. So these are all, I just created domestic customer groups, remaining all not required. So again, click on the color. I just mention it, this 4 is not required. If you have a time, create it. So leave it. And next, tolerance group creation. So tolerance group is also created. We already created at the time of vendor master data creation. So no need to create. The same tolerance group, it will be enough for the customer point of view also. And assign vendor and customer tolerance groups to the company code. So this one also we already created at the time of customer. It's just a OBA3. How we can create? I just show an example using with OBA3. So go to the SAP server /n OBA3. So this is the tolerance group. Click on the new one. So company code and tolerance group, and here permitted for the payments from minimum amount, maximum amounts, revenue loss. So these are all options. What are the requirement options required? You will be selected. So after creation, this one using with OBA4 T code /n OBA4. So here our tolerance group is BC. Create all. If you want to assign, create new one. This is the tolerance group. Customer groups creation. So now finally customer creation. So customer creation is going on. So customer creation previously in ECC version XD01 is decode for the customer creation decode, but here in as per HANA it shows BP. So BP is the decode for the customer creation /n BP. Enter here. So same thing, previously I just shown vendor creation, same screen it will be displayed. So click on the organization and here BC, BMW cars, BMW cars, domestic business partner and name. So our company, the products is car selling, so customer's name. So like one customer name I just mentioned, or like whatever, Sudhakar Rao, and he's the customer for buying a car from our company. So I just mentioned house address 1 bar something 53 and postal code also 6 digits number we need to enter here. City I just mentioned Nellore for example purpose. Country mention it IN India, and reason means state AP, and post box number again we need to enter 524003 here also. And here scroll down, select on the language, So everything is common under the business partner creation display. After that, when we created a business partner, one number is generated. After it will be converted as a customer or vendor. In these situations, we need to use click on the save option. You can see previously 1000011 has been created, but now 1001111 10000000012 has been created. Now this business partner has to be converted as a customer. So then only our customer has been created. So now click on the roles. There are the financial services. Again, click on it. We just go to the relations. Again, company code data. Now try to create. Click on the display. Yes, here you can see click on the display option. You can click, then automatically here number of options it will be display here F5 or else CUS customer F5 customer option. You just select, continue. So then automatically company code it will be display here. This this business partner name has been converted to the customer. So click on the company code or company code PMWC, company code, enter, reconciliation account. We already created domestic business part reconciliation account go same for, and short key. Click on this one, customer vendor number. Where is the customer number? Customer number G031. Previously vendor purpose 012 I mentioned. So this is the customer purpose. So 031 enter, and again enter. Go to this payment option. Payments, no need to mention anything. I just mentioned 0001 and enter. So click on save option. So you can see here changes has been saved. The same number, whatever what the ending 12, the same number. So here the same number it will not be appearing here. Why? Because so previously the same number it will be appearing. Why? Because at the time of master data, at the time of here we can observe here um, this define assign number for direction to PP. This point of view, we cannot select that two checkbox left side, two checkbox is there, two columns. That checkbox we are not able to click on. These purpose the separate number it will be generated. So now we need to again we'll try to change that saving. So slash n enter slash n enter SPRO SAP reference IMG screen cross application application components master data synchronization customer and vendor integration prepare business partner basic settings for customer integration set VP role to direction VP to customer. Click on that one. Position. Now define VP to direction customer. Click on this one. Field assignment keys. Field assignment for customer integration. So define a number, define assignment number VP to customer on this one. So here there is a checkbox, but here we no need to select the checkbox. Flexible group. Go to the position. BC. So these are the same numbers. So click on this one, select this one, and flexible group. Number range for account group has not been defined externally. So it means here if you want to do the same number ranges, so at the time of number range creation, we need to select the external option. So again, just go back. So here number ranges xkn1 slash n xk xkn1 enter xdn1 slash n xdn1 intervals. So click on the KU. Where is our number range KU? So click on this external option. So maybe at the time of creation only there is an edit option. Change. So click here, KU. Select this one. So again, select this one. Else we can select this one and delete line item. So it shows it will not be able to delete because we already created one here. Delete is only possible status in initial. So okay, just to open the new one. So SBRO. We'll just try it. So this is a new version. So maybe it has some changes is there. So financial again cross application components, master data synchronization, customer and vendor integration, business partner settings for customer integration, field assignment integration, assign keys, define number for BB2 customer. So here click on our grouping VC, continue. So here we just flexible group and save it. We'll try it. So again click on the new option, yeah, and BP. So we'll try to create one more BP business partner. So let me wait the same number it will be displayed here or not. So this is the customer name. Before creating the customer, I just create another BP role. House number one. IN is an EAP. 524,003 and here 524,003 languages, select language English, right? English and save. So 1 3 has been created. So there is some changes in assignment place. So now try to convert this one as a customer. When it converted, the same number it will be generated or new number it will be same number it will be kept in or new number has been generated. Once we'll check here. So just go to the relationship and click on the general data. Now click on the search bar and again go to general data. Maybe you just click on this one. It shows multiple options is there up to here. Now, yes. So customer US, customer F5, data business partner content is still contains warning there cannot save it and field street. Do you really want to continue? No. Customer financial, customer normal, customer financial accounting, FLV, customer FI only selected. Do you want really want to the business partner contains error, still contain warning, therefore cannot be saved when it required field street. Do you want really want to continue with saving? Okay, continue. Click on company code of BMWC, enter, enter, reconciliation account, click on this one. We already created one thing that it will be that one, it will be displayed here. Again, enter. So go to the short key, customer point of view also 31 selected and go to the customer payment G001 something. Anyone else select. So okay, then save. 1 3. You can see 10013. Again, it will be save one more number for customer. So actually, if you want to, this is a separate scenario. At the time of vendor point of view, it will display data was changed. No need, no new number. It will be created. Uh, there is some checkbox need to be assigned. So coming sections I will explain. So now vendor also created, so customer also created. So now we need to create one material FS double zero slash n FS double zero. So vehicle also comes under current assets. So current assets 1000702. So click on that 1000702. Example purpose, I just created a one GL account and try to post the document, right? So primary cost, non-operating expenditure, income, primary cost or revenue. So this is so I just mentioned example purpose balance sheet only, current assets, simply for one. So this is the we are going to sell the product. Reconciliation account assets, alternative account. So no need. Okay, now one item name BMW car name was created. So vendor name also available. So now we need to uh, create one ledger like a sales ledger, whatever. So we just try to post one document FB70, FB70 for customer document posting slash FB70. So our customer name we already created. Just click on this one. Customer name or company code. Customer company code continue. So we created two customer names. So select any one. So he is the customer invoice date today date 31/08/2024. Accounting amount like 50 lakh something. So taxes, and these are all comes. So later I'll explain. So name. So the car name, like whatever we created the GL name, that name BMW car, select, and automatically customer point of view. Actually, here sales account data, customer account data to sales account. This is the ledger for customer sales. So in these situations, customer account data is in debit, and instead of sales, I just mentioned car account. So car name. So car name GL account is 100703. Amount, right? Enter. In company code BMWC, the number range 18 is missing for the 2024. So this is the error. I think this is the number range interval number. So customer point of view, customer document number 18. So till we did not create. So click on the new option. FBN1 and company code MWC. Go to the intervals. So number range, what it is asking, number range is 18, right? Okay, 18 is not there. So click on this one, 18. So before going to create number range, check the intervals overlap or not. So previously, up to 50, every document, 1 to 500, 500 to 1000, 1000, 1 to 1500, 1500, 1 to 2000. So now 2001 to 2500. So it means we have option to download 500 documents. We have option to create up to 500 documents under this financial year and enter. So you can see document also it shows without error. Try to post. Document 200 was posted in company code. So this is the in this class completely I'll explain step by step. Maybe this is the lengthy topic: vendor master data creation and vendor business partner creation and customer master data creation, customer member range. You can see. So it's take compared to other trainers, they are taking it's take 3 to 4 sections, like 3 to 4 hours. I just try to explain within 1 hour something, 1 hour, 1.5 hour. So you just observe this using with Excel sheet, and here you have a proper idea in this Excel sheet, then automatically you will try to do the configuration in your system, right? So everything I'll update here. I just close this one. So this today topic completely. So in this section completely vendor master creation, like business partner creation onwards, business partner creation, number range creation, assignment, customer groups creation, the customer groups number range creation, customer groups number range assignment, and BP to customer assignment, and reconciliation account creation, tolerance group creation, assign customer group tolerance group to the company code, customer creation. After that, again, customer invoice also posted using with the FB70. So each and everything up to so posted here. I hope everyone understand. Thank you so much. And please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. If you want to do, if you have any doubts, You feel too free and contact my WhatsApp number anytime. You will text me. Text this my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and share this video and like.